There is a universal pattern of discrimination and crime against women, but volume and intensity differ from nation to nation. Regional, racial, and socio-economic factors play a crucial role in determining the objectification of the feminine body and gender equality. Frankly, there is no nation in the world that is 100% safe for women with the freedom to live equally. But some countries are better than others when it comes to equal rights, social inclusion, and a sense of security. So, folks, in today's video, we bring to you top 10 countries that are favorable when it comes to women rights and opportunities. Hi, I am Firdaus Mudassir and welcome to my channel. Let's get this video started with mentioning the best country for women to live in. So starting this video, let's have a look at the country which is number 10 on our list. It's Canada. Canada has actually made protecting women's rights a part of its domestic and foreign policy. Though it's worth pointing out that being a woman in this country isn't necessarily uniform. For example, Indigenous women have far higher murder rates than the majority of the Canadian women. At number 9, we have Northern Ireland. In 2022, Northern Ireland has vast gender inequality across all aspects of the society. Despite this, gender neutral policy making is still the standard in all budgetary, policy, and legislative decisions making across Northern Ireland. It is essential that the gender equality is embedded at a core of all the levels of government and decision making across the public and private sectors of Northern Ireland. Eighth on our list is Lithuania. For women, Lithuania is definitely a safer place than other countries, but absolutely more room to grow. For example, Lithuania is one of the 6 EU countries that have not ratified the 2014 Istanbul Convention, which prevents and combats violence against women. This is especially ironic considering that Vilnius is the center of European Institute for Gender Equality. Moving further, 7th on our list is Rwanda. Rwanda was the first country to have majority of women in its government. In fact, women hold 64% of Rwandan government seats, whereas men hold 36% of the seats. On paper, women's rights in Rwanda seem to flourish and represent a standard for other countries. Following the genocide and diaspora of a majority of the population, women made up more than 60% of the remaining population and became responsible for the workplace. Moving further, 6th on our list is Namibia. Namibia has paid special attention to women's empowerment and gender equality, an integral part of its constitution. Significant targets have been met, such as an increase in the number of girls in the primary and secondary school and a boost in the share of women in the National Assembly to 46% in 2015. Still, challenges remain. So Namibia commits to women's empowerment and ensuring that women's rights are protected in all areas and to ensuring that women have access to services for education, health and employment among others. It will fight gender-based violence and make sure women can play their roles as agents of peace and at the community and national levels. Namibian women in uniform will continue to serve in UN peacekeeping. 6th on the list is Sweden. Sweden prides itself on making life as seamless for its citizens as possible. In fact, Sweden ranks number 1 for best countries for citizenship. This is based on gender equality, the environment, human rights, distribution of political power, and trust. It is one of the most economically stable countries in the world with near perfect public education and public health systems. Income equality is among the highest in the world with nearly 80% of the women in employment. However, there is room for growth as Gender Equality Index reports that 74% of women do housework or cook compared to 56% of the men. Next on our list at number 5 is New Zealand. The country's push for gender equality is among the highest in the world. New Zealanders, aka Kiwis, are passionate about the environment and human rights. It is also one of the safest places to live. thanks to its stable economy, strong job market, and political stability, and is better in terms of income equality. Abortion is still illegal in the country. New Zealand was one of the countries that agreed to UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals to be achieved by 2030. But as of this year, it is still in the 11th place. Number 4 on our list is Norway. Gender equality remains a primary concern for Norway after more than 4 decades. Policies include shared parental leave and affordable and universal childcare, which makes space for men to share domestic responsibilities and leaves room for women to participate in top capacity in the job market. But Norway is forced to criticize its own policies. Norway has a website, Gender in Norway, that releases up-to-date news on the progress of gender equality in the country and discusses the areas where there is still room for progress and change. Number 2 on our list is Finland. Finland is one of the nations leading the charge when it comes to gender equality and equal pay. In fact, the head of the state in Finland is a 34-year-old woman from the Social Democratic Party, and her government is led entirely by women, 4 of them under 35 years of age. The cabinet has a female majority as well. Finland has long been a champion for gender equality, as women gained their rights to vote in 1906. What's more, the women-to-men labor participation rate is 88.5%. Comparably, the global average is 65.8%. And with this, we come to the number 1 country in the world for women's rights and opportunities, and that is Iceland. Iceland is the world's best country for gender equality, a World Economic Forum index shows. The island's nation's success is characterized by a strong performance in all 4 of the index's gauges: economic opportunities, education, health, and political leadership. And it's improved on last year, bettering its overall score at a time when global progress has stagnated. There are 7 laws that show why Iceland ranks first for gender equality. Women's equality is literally protected by law. Equal pay for equal work is mandatory almost. Companies' boards must include at least 40% of women. Best parental leave policies in the world are in Iceland. From preschool to college, kids learn gender equality matters. Paying for sex is illegal. Strip clubs are illegal. Prostitutes are victims. There is a magical ministry of gender equality as well in Iceland. So folks, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope this video has thrown some light on countries that provide best women's rights and opportunities in the world. So folks, that's it from me in this video. If you have liked this video and the other videos on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. In case of any doubt, query, or inquiry, make sure you write to us on the email ID given in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.